Welcome in to the Calming Anxiety Podcast, your moment for 10 minutes of daily guided meditation and affirmation to ease the soul, and just that time out to heal and reset. So find somewhere quiet, relaxing, where you won't be disturbed for a while, maybe to sit or lie down. Close your eyes now. And with your beautiful mind, expand your awareness and explore the feelings of your breathing to focus on how your rib cage rises, expanding, drawing in every breath. To be aware of the pause between the in and the out breath. And now focus completely on that wonderful feeling of relaxation, of letting go as the muscles in and around your chest, they unwind and loosen, and you exhale as your shoulders slump down, as your chest lowers. Feel that true sense of release, of blissful relaxation, the deepest sigh to the soul, and allow yourself now, this moment in your day, to heal, to truly, deeply let go of the negative thoughts that run through your mind, to let go of the anxiety, the doubts, the panic, the regrets and sadness. Allow all the negative thoughts and emotions to simply drift away on every out-breath, and feel yourself now unwinding on a deeper level, floating in this moment in time. Relax and let go with every out-breath, floating further and further into a wonderful, safe state of mindful tranquility. Just you, the rhythm of the rise and fall of every breath, the beauty of the beat of your heart. A moment to reset, to heal, to find balance within your own mind. Relax now, deeper and deeper, purely focusing on every breath and the sound of my voice, to the exclusion of all other thoughts. A moment of unity, just for you. Relax further and further down. Peace and harmony to flow through your beautiful mind. I wonder if you could imagine all the negative thoughts just evaporating from the very surface of your skin, to eventually leave your mind crystal clear, pure, a sense of clarity and purpose growing deep within your subconscious to guide you. So unwind Feel yourself letting go of stress on every exhalation. And as you unwind, as your thoughts become clear, repeat and imagine these words within your own mind's eye on every out-breath. My eyes are open to new challenges. 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 So that in the days, weeks, months to come, you're more accepting of the small challenges that we all face, with eagerness, with a desire to take them on, with a mind that is open to finding solutions, which is open to new ways of experiencing the world around you, to set you free from the negative thoughts, the negative anchors of your past that hold you back, to open all that you are, to embrace this beautiful miracle of life. So relax ever deeper with every out-breath, and once more repeat, visualize on every out-breath. My eyes are open to new challenges. 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 And feel self-compassion, courage starting to grow, burning fiercely deep within your subconscious, to take note over the coming days and weeks of small but perceptible changes in a positive way to the way you think, the way you experience the space that you inhabit. And these moments will only serve to reinforce this wonderful, powerful, positive change that you are embarking on. So relax now. Just be in the moment, appreciating all that you are, no longer plagued by self-doubt. To accept all of you, your strengths, your weaknesses, the positive, the regrets and mistakes, and set yourself free and live your life full of joy, wonder, as if looking through the world through the eyes of a small child, to be enamored with everything. Now take a deep, deep intake of breath and start to reorientate your mind and focus on the beauty of the day ahead. Take another deep breath now, fill your lungs to the very top. Now stretching out the muscles in your arms and legs, and open your eyes and smile. And well done for putting you first again. Have a lovely day. Now, if you are new, as I say, please do subscribe. Yes, it helps grow my channel, and this in turn helps even more people all around the world, regardless of geography, of creed. We just treat every human as unique, as a miracle of this universe. Let's spread a virus of calm and kindness wherever we go. Take care stay positive, look after your beautiful mind, and in everything, simply be kind.